Today, I will be going over a very short overview of my totally normal sized truck. By totally normal, I mean not at all. Just look at this thing, it's tiny. This is my Subaru sambar truck that I imported from Japan about a year and a half ago, summer of 2023. I got it from Japan, costed me about $4,500. And about 3 months of long and lots of waiting. Despite its small size, it has a 6.5-foot bed, perfect for hauling everything you could ever need. This could be ranging from furniture to motorcycles to something more questionable. It is powered by a 4-cylinder, 660cc engine that is hidden underneath that hatch or behind the engine cover right here. This engine produces about 32 horsepower, which is about half the horsepower of that motorcycle. This little truck has so many creature comforts, like a spacious interior. Look at all this legroom. I got 4 inches of legroom. That's so much. 5-speed manual transmission. I have AC, but it doesn't work. Subaru really thought of everything when they made this little truck, though. You got little side holes right here to put your feet in, so you can climb in and out of the bed with ease. You got tailgates on all 3 sides of the truck that can fold down to access whatever you need. With a few little snips, clicks, you get a flatbed. This truck cost me about $4,500. On the odometer, it had about 70,000 miles. Gets me 25 to 30 miles per gallon. And it is a lot of fun to drive. Thank you for watching.